Find the equation of the line that is tangent to the function f of x and parallel to the given line. Here we have f of x is equal to square root of x plus 1. The line is x minus 2y is equal to 5. Let's say we have xy plane here. X here, y axis here. And we have f of x. I'm just going to draw roughly. That's f of x and line right here. The question is to find the equation of the line that is tangent to the function f and parallel to this line. If we look at our graph, our tangent line will be somewhere here, right? Let's start out with the slope of the given line. What is the slope of this line? Negative 2y is equal to negative x plus 5. So y is equal to 1/2 x minus 5 over 2. Slope of this line is 1/2, right? So the slope of this line is 1/2. Then we know that slope of this tangent line must be equal to 1/2. And slope of tangent line is equal to f prime of x. So when we find f prime of x, that must be equal to 1/2. So let's find the derivative of f of x. Square root of x plus 1, that's x plus 1 to the power of 1/2. So f prime of x is equal to 1/2 times x plus 1. 1/2 minus 1, that's negative 1/2. Power rule, right? That must be equal to 1/2. So cancel out 1/2. Then 1 over square root of x plus 1, that is equal to 1. So square root of x plus 1 is equal to 1. Square each side, then x plus 1 is equal to 1. Then x is equal to 0. So slope of this tangent line that is parallel to given line right here, that is 1/2 at x equals 0. So this is a 0. This is a point of tangency. Now let's write the equation of the line. Using point slope form, y minus y1. What's y1? When x is 0, what is the value of y? F of 0 is equal to root 0 plus 1, so that is equal to 1. So y minus y1, which is 1, is equal to, slope is 1/2 x minus x1, which is 0. So the equation of tangent line is y is equal to 1/2 x plus 1. That's it.